So first step is turn the center display on. Then select communication using the eye controller from the center console. So we go to communication, then select, and here we select manage mobile devices, and then connect a new device. Here we select telephone, and now you can see you have to turn the Bluetooth on from your iPhone or from your phone. So then you have to activate Bluetooth from your iPhone, and when you see this message you have to select pair. If you can see, there's a message there, Bluetooth pairing request. So we select pair. Then you can see your phone's name in the connect new device list. So our phone is iPhone. In case you don't find your phone, you can erase one of the older phones registered in your mobile device list. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.